Boulder's Open Space and Mountain Parks purchased the Stratton property on Neva Rd in 2007 for $3.2 million. Soon after, uncontrolled prairie dogs moved onto Stratton's productive hayfields and denuded vegetation. On March 31, 2023, high winds once again hit Stratton, causing another severe dust storm. Neighboring hayfields where prairie dogs are controlled did not experience soil erosion during the storm. The brown dust cloud in the distance is soil eroding from OSMP's Stratton property. However, there is almost no soil erosion in the neighbor's near field of grass hay with aftermath cattle grazing. OSMP's staff has been slowly removing prairie dogs from a few of its agricultural fields, then surrounding the fields with expensive prairie dog barriers to slow recolonization. Once prairie dogs are removed, staff must restore the land. This includes repairing irrigation and tailwater systems, keyline plowing, applying compost, reseeding, and irrigating. Only about 1 foot of topsoil covers most of Boulder County. Once topsoil is gone, it is really hard to grow anything in a field. We like to think of soil erosion as something that happened long ago, back in Dust Bowl days. But soil erosion is happening right now in Boulder County. There is still much work to do, and quickly, to restore Boulder Open Space and Mountain Park's highly erodible lands. For more information, go to healboulder.org. Thank you.